Now let's talk about AI in Nextcloud. First, let us have a brief overview of AI tools to understand what, why, and how it works.
For most organizations, the question is no longer whether AI is used, but under which conditions. Using AI usually means sending data to external services, data that is then used as training for AI models. For organizations working with sensitive data, this quickly becomes a problem legally, technically, and ethically.
If you don't provide internal AI you can trust, people will likely start using their favorite services like ChatGPT for work. And that means losing control of your sensitive data.
AI in Nextcloud is designed to be sovereign. Organizations decide where AI runs, which models are used, and what happens to their data. Sovereign AI means AI that fits into compliance, existing governance, and data protection requirements. Sovereign AI allows organizations to benefit from AI-supported collaboration without giving up responsibility for their data, and it also allows them to stay in control.
And as always in Nextcloud, AI is optional and configurable, not a mandatory layer imposed on all users or workflows. This allows organizations to adopt AI at their own pace, align it with internal policies, and decide which use case makes sense in their environment. So, we made sure it's always clear when you're using AI features through design and explicit notes. While designing AI integrations, our team was conscious about risks and downsides. We integrated AI where it made sense, not wherever we could. We also offer dedicated interfaces for things like searching files or creating images rather than integrating into a single chatbot. These single chats interfaces can be convenient, but also there is a risk of trusting them too much and believing they are all powerful beings instead of just tools. When AI is enabled in Nextcloud, it becomes part of the collaboration environment instead of external dependency. It integrates into existing workflows without breaking governance or compliance frameworks. But now, Derek, let's go to the features.
Nextcloud Assistant can perform various tasks like improving and generating text, generating media, answering questions about your data, or creating documents based on your input.
Nextcloud Assistant works as a standalone app, and it is also integrated in various apps, for example, email, chats, and file systems, through Assistant features.
Nextcloud Talk can summarize calls and conversations. We've recently introduced live transcription, and now it works with translation, helping teams break through language barriers that might keep them from efficiently collaborating.
We agree that we need to be transparent about AI-generated content, not only for internal use, but also when it comes to content for external use.
There are more regulations being introduced, like the AI Act in the EU. One of the new rules is AI content labeling. Nextcloud Assistant makes compliance easier. You can generate images and documents in various apps and label AI content with watermarks automatically. This ensures AI law compliance with little work. Also, Nextcloud Assistant has better memory. It can now remember what you talk about across all your chats, so you don't need to give it a briefing again to come back to topic. This is configurable, fully under the user's control. Add or remove whatever you want.
Well, there are many other improvements. We improved scaling of Nextcloud Assistant, context chat, integrated new models, and improved features for various popular models.